Hello dear English learners, welcome to another English lesson. Today I am Priyanka Chaudhary. In one of my previous videos I talked about self-talk, which is an effective tool to improve your English fluency. It not only helps you to practice speaking, moreover, it also helps you to start thinking in English. Well, in today's video, I'm going to share with you how to use this technique of self-talk in your daily life for improving your English fluency. So without any further ado, let's dive into the video and unlock what are these ways that can help you to speak English on the regular basis. Let's begin. So here I'm gonna present in front of you 6 different ways of using self-talk that is gonna help you to practice speaking on the regular basis. So number 1 is start narrating your daily routine. Means whatever you are doing, start speaking that in English. For instance, at this moment I am speaking in front of you. I am trying to help you to speak English. There is a camera in front of me and I am recording myself, right? So this is what I am doing at this moment. So what are you doing and what do you do on the regular basis? What is your daily routine? Start speaking all these things. So whenever you wake up in the morning, start speaking to yourself in English. Now you do not need to think too much like what should I say. As I just said, daily routine. Let's say when you wake up, then you are saying, today I woke up at 7 a.m. and then you can say, after that I went for freshen up. Later I took a glass of warm water. Then I brushed my teeth. I worked out for some time. So like this you can keep on speaking to yourself and start telling your daily routine to yourself and keep making sentences. So like this you can also start speaking and practicing. If you will be doing this, you will be practicing English phrases and vocabulary. You will practice making sentences, and for this you do not need any English partner. So this is how you can practice speaking English. And here is the next point. Discuss current events. By doing this, you can start talking to yourself about current news or events. Share your opinions and thoughts on what's happening in the world. This can help you express your ideas in English. And the next point is describe your surroundings. So whenever you are alone and you want to do self-talk, start describing the things, the people or the places around you. For instance, right now, if I would like to describe the place where I'm sitting, then I would say I'm sitting in my bedroom and there are a lot of things around me. There is a cupboard, there's a dressing table, there are sofa, and there is a chair as well. So this room is completely occupied with a lot of things here. So this is how you can also start describing the place where you're standing, sitting or anything. There are so many pictures hanging on the wall. I can even talk a lot about the pictures, like what kind of pictures are there, what kind of picture, what is this picture actually expressing, or I can even say anything like when did I buy this picture, from where I bought this picture or photo frame, anything. Just talk to yourself about anything. Means describe anything that surrounds you. Simple. Here is the next point. Talk about your feelings and goals. Share your emotions and aspirations with yourself. This can improve your ability to express yourself on a personal level. For example, if I talk about my feelings and goal, then I would say something like this. I feel extremely incredible and passionate about my goal of teaching English. My dream is to reach a large number of people out there who are willing to learn English, but due to some reason they are unable to do so. What I believe is that learning a language, especially English nowadays, actually gives us a power to do anything. Means I know that English has become so much important that without learning this language we are somewhere lagging behind in the field where we want to actually achieve success. So this is the language that can open the doors to different opportunities. So this is the goal of mine, that it will be privilege to help all those people out there to learn this language, and that's what I actually want. And here is the fifth point. This is practice monologue. Let's first understand what is monologue. It is basically a long speech which is delivered by a single person. It is given to express someone's feelings, thoughts, opinion, etc. Well, what you can do is you can choose a topic and give a short speech or monologue to yourself. This will help you with structuring your thoughts and sentences. Well, to make you understand this better, let me give you an example. Let's say I have a topic that is confidence, and now I'm gonna speak on this. This is the topic that I have chosen for myself, and now I'm going to deliver a speech, a very short one. So confidence, in my views, in my opinion, confidence is a kind of skill that everybody wants to gain. Everybody wants to acquire this skill to become successful in their areas, in their field, and to become successful in their ambition. Now, if I personally talk about myself, then confidence, I have also gained confidence a lot in speaking English, and I was not able to speak English like this a long time ago. I used to make a number of mistakes. I used to mispronounce so many words, and I would make a lot of mistakes as well, grammatical mistakes, and I had no confidence while speaking English. I was not able to make eye contact. So if you are not able to make eye contact with anyone you are in the conversation, it means you have lack of confidence. So I basically acquired this skill with time, with practice, and with experience. So this is what everybody has to do for gaining confidence. Now, confidence is something that if you are a person who have confidence, then everybody would like to follow you, everybody would like to be like you, and a confident person is always liked by everyone, right? So this is the reason that we all want to become confident in our appearance, in our speech, in our presentation, in almost all the aspects of life. And here is the next point, and here is the last point. This is think in English. This is really significant if you want to improve your language skills. You know what? Most of the time we speak to ourselves. Not like, in our head, in our mind, we speak to ourselves a lot. When there is no one, even while you're sitting alone, while you're laying on the bed and you're thinking, so you actually do not speak. When you are thinking a lot in your mind. You're speaking to yourself in your native language usually. So what I want you to do is, I want you to start thinking in English rather than your native language. This actually will encourage you to become more comfortable in speaking English, and this is something that is really important for you to do if you want to become fluent in English. Now again, for thinking in English, you do not need to think about the topics or anything. Whatever you do, actually, whatever you speak to yourself in your native language, start doing the same in English. Now I have uploaded a video as well that is gonna help you to start thinking in English and how you can incorporate this habit of thinking in English. So if you haven't checked out this video of mine, go and check that video just after watching this, and I assure you that this will help you to start thinking in English. To sum up this video, I would like to remind you all these 6 points that I have covered in this video. First, start narrating your daily routine. Next, discuss your current events. Third, start describing your surrounding. And start practicing monologue. Talk about your goal and feelings and think in English. So these all were the 6 points, and I hope this video proved helpful. You are going to try some of these techniques at least to practice your English fluency. If you found this video useful, do not forget to like, subscribe and share. Well, if you have any suggestions for me and you want me to upload a video on the topic that you want me to discuss next, please let me know in the comments. I will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.